Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2023 Kia Sportage. They are here for a passenger side blinker, blink a lot faster. So yeah, let's go ahead and verify it. Alright, so right now, well, they're here for just the passenger side, but I got both of them are out. Are they really out? But I don't know guys, if you can see it, my light bulb is good. It's right there, blinking faster. How about the driver's side? Alright, driver's sides also blink a lot faster than normal. And I got notification here says check turn signal, both of them. But the customer is just saying the passenger side, but obviously both of them, both sides, blink a lot faster. And also, my driver's side is good, the light bulb. Hopefully you guys can see it, blinking faster right there. So, let's go ahead and try this button. Alright, they're blink normal, both of them are blinking normal. But when you do that with the multifunction switch, blink a lot faster. Both sides. Alright. So I'm gonna do. What's up, T?
Nothing.
Check this out. Blinking a lot faster, right? That one too. And I got
Blinker?
check signal, it says. But if I press this button, they blink normal, right? So I'm gonna use this computer, do the actuation test. I'm going to ICCU. So basically, this multifunction switch will command the ICCU to turn the blinker, right? But right now we command this multifunction switch and it blink faster. Alright, we're just gonna rule this out. We're just gonna go talk to ICCU or ICU. Let's see what happened. Let's try right signal. Hey, blinks normal, right? So let's stop that and try this again. Faster, right? Alright, let's try left. Oh, it's normal now, right? With this, faster. So what's wrong? What's wrong, T? It's your first day.
The setting.
The settings? You got it. Well, this one right here, because you know, when we used it, it's freaking out. But when we use this guy, basically we're not talking to this guy, we're talking to the ICU down there to turn this thing on, and it's normal. Yeah? So I think we're done, T. I think there's something wrong with this guy. There's a shortage somewhere here causing the problem. Yeah? I think you're right. Sorry. Sweet. I think we're done.